So in this video, we are going to learn how to schedule Instagram giveaway post automatically. Now suppose guys you are a business owner and to promote your business on a regular interval, for example on a weekly basis, you throw a giveaway for all of your clients and customers on Instagram. And to update your users, you on a regular basis, on a weekly basis, you share a post regarding the same giveaway. Now guys, let me tell you, sharing a post on a weekly basis regarding giveaway can be automated. And how you can set up this automation? So in this automation guys, we just have to add the details of the post into a Google Sheet. And on a weekly basis, on a regular interval of your choice, this automation workflow will be executed, get the details of the post of the giveaway post from Google Sheets, and then automatically using those details, it is going to create a post in Instagram. Now guys, how you can set up this automation? To know this, you have to come with me to my screen.
So as you can see, here we are on Pabbly Connect's dashboard. Now to reach this dashboard, you will get a free sign-up link of Pabbly Connect in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes. And after reaching to this dashboard, just click on Create Workflow and give this workflow a name. For example, I would like to name my workflow as Google Sheets to Instagram. And then just click on Create. Now we can see that our workflow is open over here. And in this workflow, we have 2 different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those 2 concepts, those 2 principles on which this whole automation works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's begin with our trigger window. So the idea here is, first, we have to make sure that this automation workflow execute every week. So we just want this automation workflow to be executed once a week. So we are going to ensure that, and to do this, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect that is schedule. Then after that, every week when this automation workflow execute, we want to take the details of the post which we want to share on our Instagram account from the Google Sheet. So in the Google Sheet, we are adding the details of the post like the caption, image URL, and the date at on what date which post we want to share. So according to the date, we are going to get the details of the post. And then at last, we are going to share the same post which we have entered in our Google Sheet on the respective date. So guys, let's begin. Now first schedule this automation workflow to be executed every week. Now here guys, to do this, just select the schedule in our trigger window. After selecting schedule by Pabbly, here the next thing it asks us is how often you want to run your workflow. And in a drop down below, you can see we have several different options at regular interval, once, every day, days of the week, and dates of the month. So we are going to select regular interval, and then we want this automation workflow to be executed every 7 days. So here guys, we are going to select every 7. And then in time span, you can select days over here. Now guys, if you want to execute this automation workflow to a particular date on a particular date, for example, let's take example of Monday, then just select days of the week over here. And here in days from the drop down, select the day on which you want this automation workflow to be executed. And then here you have to select that time, that at what time you want this automation workflow to execute. And at the same time, the Instagram post will be shared. So for example, I want my time to be 10 a.m. So I'm selecting this over here. And then just click on save. Now, when we click on save, we can see that this automation workflow is scheduled to be executed every Monday at 10 a.m. according to Indian time zone, Asia Kolkata time zone, and 4:30 a.m. according to UTC time zone. After this, next what we have to do, we have to get the details of the post from Google Sheet. And we have entered these details of the giveaway post in our Google Sheet according to the dates. So first what we have to do, we have to introduce or we have to add the current date, the date on which this automation workflow will be executed. We have to add that date in our automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect. And then after that, according to that date, whatever details of the post we have added in our Google Sheet, we are going to get those details and then we are going to share that post on Instagram. So first, let's introduce the current date. So for that, just come to our action window and here in choose app, search for date time formatter. So date time formatter is a module of Pabbly Connect using which we can introduce the current date on which this automation workflow is executed. Then after that, in action event from the drop-down, select the action event as current date. Click on connect. Then after that, it is asking us basic format. And in a drop-down below, we can see a list of different formats of date over here. So in whatever format you want to get these dates, you have to select that format over here. After this, it is asking us include time and response. So here guys, do we want to get the response of time as well with this date or not? So we don't want to get it. So we are just going to ignore this field for now. And then just click on save and send test request. And here in response, you can see that we have received the current date. So we have scheduled this automation workflow to be executed every Monday. So every Monday at 10 a.m., this automation workflow will be executed. Then in the next step, it will get the current date, the date of that particular day. And after that, according to this date, we have to get the details of the post which we have entered in our Google Sheet. Now here you have to notice guys, whenever you are adding the details of the post in our Google Sheet, you have to enter the actual date, the exact date on which you want to schedule. And it should match with this Monday as well. So we have scheduled this workflow for Monday. So we have to enter the details of the post according to that date as well. Now after this guys, after getting these details, let's get the details of the post of this particular date from Google Sheet. For that, just scroll down, click on this add action step button, and here in choose app, we have to search for Google Sheets. Select Google Sheets. And then in action event from the drop down, select lookup spreadsheet row as the action event. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now here guys, what we have to do, we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, just click on this sign in with Google button, and then here just select your Google Sheets account. Scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we can see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making this connection, the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet, that from which spreadsheet we want to get this data. And in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have created in our Google Sheets account. So the spreadsheet which we are going to use in this video is named as Instagram posts. So from the drop down, let's select this spreadsheet. And after selecting our spreadsheet, the next thing it asks us is to select the sheet. Now here guys, you can see in this spreadsheet, we have only one sheet named as sheet 1. That is why here in Pabbly Connect in the drop-down, we can see only one sheet as sheet 1. Just select it. Then we have to select or enter the lookup column. Now guys, you must be thinking, what is this lookup column? So in which column we are searching for data? So we are searching the details or the data of the post with the help of this date. So we are searching for this date, that in which row this date exists. And we have the column of date as column C. So the lookup column will be column C, because in column C we will be searching for this response. Then it is asking us lookup value, that what is the response, what is the data you are searching for. So here guys, you can see that we have searching for this data, date. And here in Pabbly Connect, in using datetime formatter, we have received the response of date. So from here, we have to basically map this response of current date over here in lookup value. And guys, the process of mapping is very simple. Simply click on this field, and in the drop down below, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from previous step. And out of all of these responses, select the response of datetime formatter current date and map it. After this, it is asking us include headers in response, so just select it true, and sort value, select top from here as well. And then just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And in this response, you can see the details of that complete row which has date. So we have selected trigger column as column C, and we were looking for this value. So all the data of the row which has this date in column C will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So we have the caption, image URL, and schedule date. And here in Pabbly Connect, the response which we have received, you can see the same details. Here we have the response of caption, then we have the image URL which we want to share on our Instagram account as a post, and then also we have the schedule date. Now this means guys, the automation workflow which we have created till now is working perfectly fine. Until this, we are successfully getting the details of a new post from Google Sheet in Pabbly Connect. Now let's move to the final step and send these details of a new post to Instagram and share a post over here. The same post whose details we have entered in the Google Sheet on the same date. Now guys, before doing this, here you will notice that I have entered some spaces, some line spaces over here in this caption. So in Google Sheet, while adding the caption, I have added some kind of formatting. And guys, we have to basically change the formatting over here. Now, why we have to do this? Here, while adding the formatting or while adding the spaces in the Google Sheet of this text, it takes a different format. And then when we share this same data, the same caption on Instagram, it takes that text in HTML format. So we have to basically add another step, a simple one this time. For this, just scroll down, click on this add action step button, and here in choose app, search for text formatter. And after that, in action event from the drop down, select replace text as the action event. Click on connect. Now here guys, it is asking us for the text. And here in text section, we have to enter the response of caption which we have received from Google Sheets over here. Just click on this field and from the drop down from Google Sheet responses, select the response of caption and map it over here. And then here it is asking us what is the text value we want to change. So we want to change this value of backward slash n, double slash n, and we want to replace it with br. So basically we have to change these spaces from slash n to br. You can't see this right now in the response, but while passing the data to Instagram, you will be having these slash n's if you have entered a new line or you have pressed enter while adding this caption like we have done over here. You will be having slash n over here in the Instagram caption. To avoid that problem, we are doing this. Just click on the save and send test request button, and here you can see that in response we have received this text. Now you don't have to worry about these BR tags in this caption. While posting or sharing this caption on Instagram, they will be removed. Now after this, finally let's send all of these details to Instagram. Click on this add action step button, scroll down, and here in choose app, search for Instagram for business. Just select it. And then in action event from the drop down, select published photo as the action event. Click on connect and select add new connection. Now guys, we have to connect our Instagram account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with Instagram for business button. And because we have already logged into our Instagram account in our browser, Pabbly Connect will detect the same account and make the connection. So this is my name of the Instagram account, Daniel Jose. And here you can see that Instagram account to be used, you can see the same Instagram account. Now it is basically asking us two different things. First one is the photo URL. We have to mention the URL of the post which we want to share. And second one is the caption, that what is the caption we want to add with that picture. So we have received both of these details from Google Sheet. So first let's map the response of URL of the image or the photo which we want to share. Just scroll down, and as you all know, the process of mapping is very simple. Click on this field, and from the drop down from Google Sheet responses, select the response of image URL and map it over here. After this, we have to map the caption. And here guys, in the step of text formatter, we have basically modified the format of text caption. So here from these responses of text formatter, we are going to map the caption. Just click here, and from the drop down from text formatter responses, select and map this response. And after mapping both of these details, just click on save and send test request. After clicking on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the data which we have mapped over here, basically the details of a new giveaway post on Instagram which we want to share, which we have entered in our Google Sheet, is now shared on our Instagram account. So let's check it. We will go to Instagram and we are going to refresh our profile page once. And yes guys, here you can see that the same image whose URL we have added in our Google Sheet of the giveaway post, the same image is now shared on our Instagram account. So here you can see that the same image, and we will be seeing the same caption. And this caption is already in the same format that how we have entered in our Google Sheet. So here this caption says giveaway alert. This week we have 5 products in giveaway pool. Follow the steps to participate. So here guys, we can see that the automation workflow which we have created in this video is working perfectly fine. And using this automation, every week you can share the giveaway post from Google Sheet on your Instagram account. Now after setting up this automation, we just have to enter the details of the giveaway post which we want to share on Instagram into our Google Sheet with the perfect date, and then using this automation, automatically that post will be shared on our Instagram account on the same date which we have entered over here, or for the same date for which you have scheduled this automation workflow. So not just these applications guys, you can connect plenty of other applications using Pabbly Connect. And guys, one more important thing, you will find the clone link of the same workflow in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can clone the same workflow into your own Pabbly Connect account and use this workflow for free. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan. And in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this automation, you can do it for absolutely free.
If you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can post them on forum.pabbly.com. So if this video was helpful to you, you can obviously like this video, comment down your suggestion, and don't forget to share it with others. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.